Hello everyone. Let's everyone open your notebook, write down date, chapter, name, agriculture test. Everyone please do these MCQ tests in your notebook. There are 20 questions in this test. Okay. So first I will show you starting six question. First question. The commercial rearing of silkworm is known as pisciculture, viticulture, horticulture, sericulture. Write down option. Which of the following are primary activity? Agriculture, mining, fishing, all of these. Third, what percent or persons are engaged in agriculture activity in the world? 75%, 85%, 65%, 50%. Fourth, what is cultivation of grapes called? Sericulture, viticulture, horticulture, floriculture. Shifting cultivation is also known as milpa in which part of the world? Northeast India, Mexico, Brazil, Malaysia. The important input like seeds, fertilizer, machinery, etc. form a system called as barter system, water system, farm system, all of these. Everyone turn on your camera. Araf Sehgal, Pari Agarwal, Saksham Tiwari, Surbhi, Anshika, Prab Safet, Naman Rana, Harshit, and Yash Jain. Everyone turn on your camera and then you will do this test. Otherwise, I will not allow to do this test right this way that you turn off your camera and doing your test. Everyone turn on your camera. Everyone turn on your camera. Raghav Suneja. Okay. Done. Yes. Question number 7. In which type of farming is the land used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock? So options are subsistence farming, intensive farming, mixed farming, commercial farming. Next. Type of farming to meet family needs is known as subsistence, mix, organic, none of these. Question number 9 dash is a type of commercial farming where single crop of tea, coffee, sugarcane, etc. are grown. Plantation, cultivation, agriculture, none of these. MCQ 10. Which of these is not commercial farming? Commercial grain, mix, organic, plantation. Which one of the following is known as paddy crop? Millets, wheat, rice, flax. MCQ 12. Dish is also known as a paddy. Wheat, jowar, rice, bajra. I hope everyone completed till MCQ 12. Everyone has completed till MCQ 12. Show your digital thumb. Next, MCQ 13. What is another name of shifting agriculture in Mexico? Ladang, Milpa, Zubing, Roca. 14. Which of following crop are raised in commercial grain farming? Wheat, maize, both of these, none of these. 15. Which agriculture is referred as slash and burn agriculture? Intensive farming, shifting agriculture, primitive farming, plantation agriculture. 16. Rubber plantation is famous in Sri Lanka, Brazil, Malaysia, USA. Who is the leading producer of coffee? Brazil, India, Russia, America. Which of the following are kosa grain? Jowar, bajra, ragi, all of these. Now move on next. MCQ 19. What do you mean by horticulture? Growing fruits, flowers, vegetables, growing of wheat, primitive farming, all of these. MCQ 20. Which of following country is a leading producer of rice? China, Pakistan, Malaysia, Egypt.